The Material World 11. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6439, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that if a person possessed a valley of gold, they would desire another, and nothing fills their stomach except dust. But Allah, the Exalted, forgives those who repent to Him. This narration warns against possessing too many worldly desires. The problem with them, even if they are lawful, is that fulfilling one desire only leads to more. One door leads to 10 others. And this never ends unless one repents from this behavior, or when they die and the dust of their grave finally fills their stomach. Lawful worldly desires can also lead to unlawful desires, as many people who ended up in the unlawful began by indulging in lawful desires. The more desires a person has, the more needy they become, which is another name for being poor. This poverty never ends, irrespective of how much one obtains or how many desires they fulfill. It is why it has been said that the essential needs of a pauper gets fulfilled, as this is guaranteed by Allah, the Exalted, but the desires of kings are left unfulfilled. A Muslim should instead strive in this world in order to fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents without excessiveness, waste or extravagance. And they should minimize their worldly desires in order to avoid this real poverty and instead seek peace and comfort with the controller of hearts and emotions, namely, Allah, the Exalted, through His sincere obedience, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Him. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
It does not take a scholar to conclude that those who are obsessed with fulfilling their lawful or unlawful desires, by misusing the blessings they have been granted, never find peace, irrespective of how many worldly possessions they own. In fact, those who behave in this manner are the furthest from peace of mind and are the closest to anxiety, stress and depression, and are the most addicted to drugs and alcohol. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.